Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Meadowbrook Prep from St. Andrew going up against Mount Airy Primary from Westmoreland. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Meadowbrook Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Meadowbrook Prep. This is for Bible knowledge. How old was Abraham when his son Ishmael was born?
86 years old. 86 years old.
Correct.
Good.
Mount Airy. How old was Abraham's wife Sarah when her son Isaac was born?
90 years old. 90 years old.
Correct. Jamaican affairs is a visual for Meadowbrook Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Camila Vaz. Camila Vaz.
Incorrect, it's Anne-Marie Vaz, MP. Mount Airy. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Phillips.
Judge? Michael Phillips is the correct response. Yes, correct. Science. Eczema is a condition which affects which organ of the body?
Skin. The skin.
Correct. Mount Airy. Bronchitis is a condition affecting which organ of the body?
The eye.
The eye.
Incorrect, it's the lungs. Meadowbrook, I'm going to ask you to stop shouting in the mic. Just project your voice, please. Television is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Barney the dinosaur. Barney the dinosaur. Barney the dinosaur.
Incorrect, it's Dino from the Flintstones. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Barney Rubble.
Barney Rubble.
Incorrect, it's Mr. Slate from the Flintstones. English language, this is for Meadowbrook. Spell mockery.
Mockery.
Correct. Mount Airy, spell aspire.
Aspire.
Correct. Meadowbrook, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this Caribbean cricketer.
Ruffman Powell. Ruffman Powell.
Correct. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this Caribbean cricketer.
Craig Brathwaite.
Craig Brathwaite.
That is right. General knowledge, Meadowbrook, in which country were the former leaders called czars?
Russia. Russia.
Correct. Once again, just reminding you, Meadowbrook, no need to shout. Mount Airy, in which country did the movement known as fascism originate?
Greece.
Incorrect, it's Italy. Meadowbrook, social studies, what activity is often referred to as running a boat in Jamaica?
Running fast. Running fast.
Incorrect, it's cooking. Mount Airy. What term is called a duchy in Jamaica?
A pot.
That is correct. Music, Meadowbrook. What is the more common name for rapid step dancing where the shoe is used as a percussion instrument?
Tap dancing. Tap dancing.
That's right. Mount Airy. What is the name for a short piece of music that is played between the parts of a longer one, a drama, or a religious service?
Interlude.
That is right. Mathematics. What is the product of 10,000 and 0.9?
90,000. No. 90,000. 9,000.
That's right. Mount Airy. What is the product of 20,000 and 0.8?
1,600.
That is incorrect. It's 16,000. Jamaican affairs. We won't be able to get to that question. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 7 and Mount Airy Primary on 6. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. During the hurricane season, if there is flooding in your community, do not attempt to cross fordings, flooded streets, or rivers. Observe all safety measures. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.